So your Apple AirPods are just too boring and white and just boring. Well, not anymore. So a company called Deka came up with this cool idea of customizing your existing EarPods or Beats headphones by putting on these little caps. Now they come in a bunch of different designs you can see here, but on their website you can actually customize your own by uploading a certain image and then resizing it and ordering your own custom ones. As you can see that they took the Unbox Junkie logo and slapped them on here, which is pretty awesome. As you can tell, I've got 3 boxes. 1 is for me, and then 2 I'm gonna give away to you guys. So stick around at the end of the video for details on how to get these. These ones are for me, so they didn't include the EarPods, but these ones both have Apple EarPods in them, so that's awesome. Oh yeah, super simple. I don't know why they put the case in here if they weren't gonna put the EarPods. I don't really get that, but anyway. Basically, you want to slap them on here like so. You know what? I'm gonna do this so you guys can see it better, but there we go. It looks like that. Kind of silly looking when you think about it. You'd think that they'd maybe want to add a curve, but they didn't. Let's just see what they look like. So there we go. They don't really get in the way of your ears at all, so that's kind of cool. So you walking around and say, hey, what are those? They're just standard EarPods, but bam, I got my logo in my ear. That's actually not a bad way of maybe like advertising something. That's kind of cool. Put your logo on there. Maybe you're sitting on a train or something like that, or on the bus, you got this going. People are gonna look at you. People look at each other all the time, all right? Don't make it creepy, but somebody's gonna be staring at your ear when you're sitting somewhere in the public. Somebody's gonna be looking at you. You put something like that in there, they got something to look at. Maybe a big, maybe something derogatory, I don't know. There you go, maybe like camo. They're not distracting, I don't feel them while they're on my ears, so I mean, you know, it's not a bad idea. Get a little customization in your life. Stop being like everybody else wearing the same thing. It's not a bad way of customizing your EarPods to your style, to your taste, or your flavor. It's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. I will say from their advertising video that the ones that go on the Beats, they look really cool, and I think they're like 20 bucks because they're a lot bigger, but they look really cool because they kind of slide over the outside of the cup, and you know, they kind of look like it's a part of it, like it's supposed to be on the headphone. These ones, once they're in your ear, they don't really stand out. You know, they kind of sit flush, so it doesn't look really odd when you're looking at it. It actually looks normal. It doesn't look bad. I think it's a good way to customize your stuff. 2018, if you're not customizing your earbuds, then you're doing it wrong. This is the era of customizing everything that you've got. Nowadays, you can get some Jordans and have them customized. Why should headphones or earbuds be any different? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Definitely go check it out. I mean, if anything, if you got a logo or an image or something like that, go on their little generator and just play around with it. See what it looks like. Also, I'm gonna leave a link for the contest if you guys wanna enter into the contest to win one of these. I got 2 of them. These look pretty cool. You know, I'm digging these, but if you're not rocking the Unbox Junkie ones, don't enter. You don't deserve them. Minimum requirement is to subscribe, plus other entries as usual. But anyway, I'm gonna leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.